Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is having an excellent day. I'm back with another video breakdown for week 16, problem 2, coding question. Let's go ahead and get started. The instruction says, given a list, create a new variable called answer2, which is a new list of all the even values. As you can see, I already created my skeleton. I have my solution function declared here at the top. And for that parameter, it's going to take in a list. And down here in the main menu, I have created two test cases, one being a case in case the list does not contain any numbers here, and the other one being the case of the list they provided in the instructions. So let's go ahead and get started. At the top, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to return the variable that we're going to create that is called answer2. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in now. And then above that, I'm going to go ahead and fill in the logic. So the first thing I'm going to check to make sure that we aren't passed in an empty list here. So let's go ahead and check for that. So we'll say if not a list, go down here and select that. We are just going to return the string no list. So we'll just say return. And then here we'll just put no list, maybe provided. Okay, so we took care of that in case there isn't any numbers to check for even or odd. So next we're going to go ahead and create the answer variable and use list comprehension to see which ones are even to add it to our variable answer2. So let's go ahead and start typing answer2. We'll say it's equal to, and of course I'm going to do list comprehension again. Those are the wrong brackets. Okay, so we want to check and grab each number in the provided list. So we'll say num for each number in that list. So for num in a list, and then the conditions if the num itself divided by 2 has a remainder of 0. So we'll put that here. It's equal to 0. And that should return every even number from that list. So we can go ahead and check and make sure everything is working correctly. So let's go ahead and run it here in the console. And we'll just feed in the number or the file name. And as you can see, everything is working correctly. The first case works here where we didn't enter any sort of data in that list. It returned no list provided. And then for our second test case, when we ran it with the list provided, as you see, it returned that 2, 4, and that 6. So everything is working correctly as I stated. Let me know how you would have went about solving this problem, and let me know if you have any tips for me. Like and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.